Hi everyone, it's Matthew, and today is 1st of August 2023. Happy new month to all our subscribers and visitors worldwide. Today we're going to be trading the volatility 10 index, and we're going to drop three strategies today across our three channels. So make sure you subscribe to all our channels to watch the strategies we'll be dropping today. So I place one trade here. I'm going to come right back here after this trade. So let's just wait for the outcome of that trade. You see, we won that trade. Right there. So here we are going to be trading the high and low, and we are using this simple movement line here, and we've logged into our trading platform. We've logged in. So once you log in, all you have to do is to click on the Deriv trader here. Right here is what we're using, as a D trader. So once you log in, you go to this trade tab, you choose the volatility 10 index, and you are going to set your ticks to 5 ticks, and we are trading high and low, so make sure you choose the high and low right here, and you're going to set the barrier to plus 0.41, then you enter the amount you want to stake. I'm going to be staking higher this time around. So we're going to watch this line movement. We're actually going to be clicking on the lower button. Once this right here, once it's right here, we are going to be clicking on purchase. Once the movement here, the edges here is right here, it jumps right up, we're going to be clicking on the lower option. So you can see it's going up, it's up, so we click on trade right here. So let's just wait for the outcome of that trade. So you can see it has dropped down. So you can see we made $7.57 dollars there. We made 7.57. We're going to trade again, but before we proceed, just to let those who haven't purchased our TOUCHSCALPER boat, there's a boat right here, and here is the link to order the boats, www.touchscalper.citytechnologies.com.ng. The boat is automated, and the version 7.0 is out and is still effective. It's automated and it works on Deriv interface. The PIPSREAPER boat as well, the PIPSREAPER boat, which is just $7.99 USD. You can order the PIPSREAPER boat here, www.binarypipsreaper.citytechnologies.com.ng. You can make payments using several payment options on the other pages, and don't forget that all our boats now comes with the free guide on how to trade synthetic indices, and you also get free boats as well. These 4 free boats you get it as well. You also get the eBook on Forex trading, and you also get the free Forex trading boat. This Forex trading boat, you get all this for free when you purchase any of our boats. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. As stated earlier, we're going to be dropping several strategies today across our 3 channels. So here are the links. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube, so check the video description on YouTube. So here is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, and here is the link to sign up for a free trading account for new traders. Those who don't have a trading account, check the video description on YouTube. Here are the links to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. So once we expand the video description, you have to do is to click on these links one after the other for you people to subscribe and also sign up for a trading account in case you don't have a trading account. So here are the links to download the free ebook for the Forex, and this is the link to sign up for the Forex broker account. This is the link to download the Forex ebook, and this is the link to download the synthetic indices ebook. In the ebook, you will see the Forex boats as well, and here is the link to join our forum to read our written tutorials on trading. So let's get back to the trading. Let's place one more trade before we proceed to the next strategy. You can see it's right up, so it's going to be our last trade. It's going to be our last trade. So let's just wait till the time comes. So you can see it's pushing right down. That's it, guys. So you can see we won all the trades we made. Actually, I've been trading before I started the video. So we made almost 20 bucks within few minutes, not even up to 4 minutes. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give thumbs up and share our videos, and subscribe to all our channels. See you next time. Bye.